Hey everybody, welcome back. Tony's Hobby Channel / Restore It Don't Junk It.com, aka this, aka that, whatever. Just kidding. Alright everybody, so today's episode we are going to be working on little universal fuel system tune-up kit for a leaf blower here. We're going to totally void the warranty. Not like the warranty really ever mattered. It's always had a rough idle. It's always been pretty crappy. So I'm not sure if it's something from the factory. Clearly it is. Or if it's something that I've done. I don't know. Either way. So first things first, take off the cap. Clearly you need to empty the tank. You want to do it into a authorized catching device safely, of course. Don't want no hazards. Don't want OSHA over here. Don't want FEMA over here. Don't want NASA over here. All that stuff. Oops. All right. Just empty that all out. Nice and empty like. Oh, that's so pitiful. Alright, it's empty, empty. I think what it is one of these hoses is too short. I'm guessing. Secured. Oh, spark. Spark. Bang. Boom, bang, boom. Alright. So, what are we doing? I have no idea. Whoops. I don't have a really good workstation, so currently, I took this cap off a while back. It's somewhere around here in the shop. The exact location is unknown, undetermined at this current point in time. Let's see. What are we gonna do? How are we gonna do it? I don't know. So, get this guy opened up. Scissors. Cut on the dotted line, as shown in the description above. Alright. That can't be too hard, Neil, can it? Alright. So this is what we got. Whole bunch of good stuff. Little fishing wire and all the little tools and stuff that we might need. The hardware, tubes. There were tubes. This little fuel filter to replace the one that's down there. If we want to. You know, you guys probably love my camera angles, right? I'm sure. You know, they are authentic. That's for sure. It's for sure. All right. So we got to make sure we keep it authentic. Keep it authentico. Whoa, you see that? Whoa. It's like a ultimate booger picker. Just in case you need to get to the crusty ones, you know. Alright. Take this one. Put it there. Don't break it. Break it, you buy it. Kind of thing. Any more than I have to already buy it. Again. And again. Alright, so there's a little tab down here. Gotta look under there. Release the tab. Slowly pry out. Basically, there's your old one there. The little tabs right here. You see on the green on the background. Gives a good contrast. Just push in these little tabs here. Try to get it to focus. There we go. Push in on those little tabs there, and it pops right out. Boop, boop. All right. Replace it with a fresh one. Yeah. Oh yeah. Look at that turbocharged. That's a high performance. See, I got the little ball in there. Oh yeah, that's high performance right there, man. Alright, put that in later. Let's get this piece replaced. We'll replace that one, and we'll be replacing this one, which will be fun. So basically just slowly push them through. Could even just cut it. Oh, nice. Just drop it out. There's our old fuel filter. Let's see. So this is our original fuel filter here. It's all old and crusty looking. And this is our new one. Yay, that's so beautiful. Oh yay, dropped it, lost it. You break it, you buy it. Okay. So basically, that little spring piece is the piece that holds that on. And that is heavy. It's full of sediment. Maybe the engine is being starved of fuel. Oh, you see that? Uh-oh. That's right. That's right. Certified. I don't need no stinking papers. Wait, what? Whoa. What? Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Wowzers. Alright. So we got going on here, everybody. This is our little fuel line placement. Beautiful. Beautiful. Alright. And from there, put on our filter. Feels like it's flowing good. Can you hear it? I'm not sure where the microphone's at on this thing. Maybe here. Can you hear that? Alright, that seems to be working correctly, accordingly, accurately. Okay. Then from there, we're going to use our little fishing string here. Alright, so this is where it gets tricky. Tricky Ricky. Of course. So we go like this first. Hook this side in there. Okay, hook it that way first. It's kind of like when you go and you get one of those piercings in your ear or something. You know what I'm saying? Poke a little itty bitty teeny tiny little hole right here. Teeny tiny. Like that. Teeny tiny. Itty bitty. That way you can pull it. Uh-huh. Mm-hmm. Alright. Okay, so now that's all together in one piece. Now you just slowly bring it on down. Bring it on down the line, okay? Bring it on down. See that? Oh, look at there. Ain't that fancy? Well, ain't that just something special, okay? Alright, everybody. So just keep feeding that. And feeding it. And feeding it. Wait, what? Okay. Push that all the way to the bottom. That way you know it'll always have contact with the deepest portion of the tank. Let's kind of verify it. Looking in there. Alright. So you see this is all the way down the bottom. Okay. Now there's plenty of the extra line here. So then from there, run it down here to the bottom one. And then this other one we'll put in here. This is our new one. Like that, when we're ready. Alright. Okay. Just kind of give it a basic measurement so nothing's being damaged or pinched. And just eyeball it a little bit, go kind of straight with it, cut it flat, clean cut, so that way you know you got a clean cut on the other end. I'm gonna raise it up so I can see it, and then slowly just put it into its location. Make sure that there's no kinks in the line. And it should look something like that when you're done. So basically there's no pinches, there's no resistance for the fuel. Should just be able to go in there nice and smooth. Okay, K-Swiss. All right. Next, I'm going to put the other one of these. We'll cut this. Let's see. Cut this piece straight right here. I don't think we need that little piece anymore. So I could just push this piece in. Okay. And from there, just push this one in. Okay, then you end up with something like that. Yours might be a little bit different. There might be a little more, might be a little bit less. All right, here's our fresh little bubble. Okay, so then these are gonna go onto each end. Alright, just put it onto one, leave the other one with nothing on there. Okay, so then you're going to feed it like that, bring it down, give it a little twist, something like that. Just slowly work it in there. Okay, and from there, so basically one of these is going to go here, and then this one is going to go onto the second one. See how there's two of these here? There's two of these little ports. Okay, so basically one of them is going to go here to this one. Okay, and then there's going to be a little itty bitty connector piece like this, the little final connector piece. Alright, so it's the total of 1, 2, 3, 4 tubes, I think. We'll see here in just a moment. Bear with me one moment, please, if you please. Get this piece set into place correctly. Go. Alright, so here's what I ended up doing. Okay, so here's what we did. I pulled this one out just a little bit so that way I can plug it into the back of this one, and then here's the other one. So we're gonna slowly push all this back down into the tank. Okay. All right, that's locked in good. And then from there, Should be able to put some little bend in this bad boy. No, too much. Okay, so let's cut this edge clean, because see how it has a point to it. We don't need all that extra. This little point is just something you can grab onto to pull it through if you need to, but I don't need to do that. So let's see, how does it look if I leave all of it on there. Looks pretty good. There's no pinch in the line. It can flow freely as it needs to. Okay, so now we test it. Stay there, buddy. Buddy, old pal. Cover the gas up. Okay. Cover that up. See what happens. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Sounds good. Sounds like it's ready to rock and roll. Alright, let's see what happens here, buddy. Yay, it's flooded. So pretty much anytime I give it gas, anytime I really give it gas, it dies. So it's kind of sad because it's a really awesome engine. It does work when it wants to. But for whatever reason, so that's pretty much the only way I can run this machine. It's pretty sad. Unfortunately, this is the way it is. It's the way it's been for a while. If anybody has any ideas, anybody have any ideas, advice, comments, questions, or concerns, comment down below and let me know what you think. guys let me know what you think. Comment down below. I do love the Ryobi brand, so it's not like I have anything against it. I'm not sponsored by them. Everything I own, for the most part, I've purchased. So, yeah, anyways, leave any of your questions, comments, concerns, complaints, best regards, whatever. Leave it down below. This channel is fully funded by me, myself, and I, and Hazel-Eyed Finds. So, any sponsorship or, well, not sponsorship, but just any, any good vibes is always greatly appreciated. You guys go check out Stack and Weight on Instagram. Very good, very professional, very awesome numismatist and coin collector, silver stacker, gold stacker, all that fun stuff. Very professional. Big shout out. Go check them out. Check out Hazel-Eyed Finds. Check out her YouTube channel. And Kevin Talbot, go check him out. Big shout out to him. He does RC stuff. I mean, he does a lot of carburetor stuff too, so I mean, I could check him out to see like what could be the situation with this. Maybe I just need to like run it more. Maybe it's like all, gummed up or sticky on the carb or on the throttle or whatever. Alright guys, take care, all that good stuff. Comment down below. If you're commenting, then I know you're watching. And maybe I could be giving away a free gold bar, but if people aren't watching and they don't know and they don't comment, you know what I'm saying? I'm not just gonna be like, oh, let me just give it away to the blah 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 person. It's like, I might have a secret code word you gotta type in, or some kind of, you know what I mean? You never know. I could be like, oh, and free. But anyways, I digress yet again. I'm out. Take care. Tony's Hobby Channel signing out. Have a wonderful day, everybody.